From my recent videos, quite a few people asking for the recipe and the baking instructions, when the informations are on the screen while watching the video. Then I came to realize they didn't turn on the captions on YouTube. So I decided to make this video to show you how to turn on the captions. If you are using YouTube app to watch YouTube video, this is how you turn on the captions. Launch the YouTube app, select the video you want to watch. At the top right hand corner, you will see a CC icon. Press it to turn it on. You will see the CC tab turns white. After turning on the CC and still can't see the captions, just fast forward the video slightly, and there you go, you can now see the caption. For choosing languages, go back to the top right hand corner and press on the gear icon. A separate window will open at the bottom of the screen. Press on the Captions tab, and there you go. Select your preferred language and you are done. If you are using mobile web browser, this is how to turn on the captions. Go to the top right hand corner and press on the gear icon. A separate window will pop up. Under Captions, select a language in order to turn on the captions. And then press OK. Now you can see the captions on the video. If you are using desktop browser, go to this icon and press it to turn on the captions. Now press the gear icon to select your preferred language. Here it says there are 19 languages to choose from. To view the transcript, you can only view it on desktop. Go to the menu and select Transcript. The transcript will appear on the right side of the video screen. That's it, guys. Hope you find this useful. See you soon.